I made this myself. So this is technically a headband, but it's like just pulled to the front. So we gonna see. Hey guys, it's your girl, the Sarah Elizabeth. I was hit up by WeQueen to actually check out one of their human hair headband wigs. I was excited. I'm like, yeah, let's see what this is all about. Let's see. Look what I brought. I brought this time so I can be slayed with edges like y'all. Don't judge me. It also comes with their headbands. So I have 5 headbands. Look at that. Those are cute. It comes with a bag for your wig. You gotta store your wig. That is not my complexion. What, technically? Maybe it is. This is what the wig looks like straight out the pack. It's a 16-inch. I never had one of these. This is exciting. Little Velcro strap, 2 combs. Oh no, 3 combs in the front. Okay, secureness, and 1 comb in the back. And I got her in the texture Kinky Curly 16-inch 1B. It looks like a 2, honestly. This is a 2. Well, no, because this is a 2. That's about a 1B. Yep, I lied. It's a 1B. So let's see how that goes. So this is the final results of the headband wig. I will say I like it. Did get some shedding right off the bat. You're gonna get some shedding with this wig. Curly wigs tend to shed anyway, so you're gonna have some of that shedding with it. But nothing that's too crazy, you know, when it comes to that though. You're gonna have a little fur ball, just saying. It's not tight around my head. You know, I thought it was gonna be too tight around my edges. These bands aren't tight. Honestly, everything about this wig is very comfortable. Now, no front, y'all. No front, no cat. We did it, Joe. Look at them edges. We did it. So yeah, everything will be listed down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this wig. I hope you guys like my edges because I'm so excited. I finally slayed my edges because look, they're not going nowhere. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.